Assalamualaikum everyone, I am Sajad Ahmed and today I will tell you how we can make a thumbnails with Android mobile. First of all friends, I new. And now if you want to change the color, just click on there. You can change the colors as you want, as you like. That's and the other step, if you want to change the background of this only this text, you just text background and enable it. Now you can see if I want to change, you can see that is the background of just this. Okay, now you can align also and many other functions you can see here. And if you are from belongs to Pakistan and India and you want to make your thumbnail in Urdu, you just click on font and write the text as you want. For example, I just tell you, for example, I write there in text box and just change the keyboard from here and write anything. For example, I write there the mobile site, etc., and click OK. You can see that's the Urdu font but not a good. Now what you do, you just click on the font and you can see the many font here in Urdu and Arabic, but this is not good. Then you click on my font and here available two beautiful fonts of Urdu like this. Click on there and use. You can see it's amazing. That is after the making, and you can also paste here any picture like from your gallery. For example, this picture I can use there. You can see, you can zoom, arrange this like this and make it. After the make your thumbnail, you just click on three dots and export the image. When you click on there, it's also ask you to your size of this picture. You just save to gallery. Now it's saved. If you liked my video, please click on a subscribe button. Thank you.